So today I'm checking out these hour meter tachometers that I had purchased for some small engines that I have. I got these off of Amazon, and these are supposed to have a replaceable battery, which they do in the back. This is actually pretty important because when you get those cheaper ones, not that these were expensive, but when you get some of those really cheap ones, they do not have replaceable batteries. Even if you break them open, some of them don't even have replaceable batteries on the boards. So this one though has a opening here where you can just put in a new battery if you want to, and you can use this for as long as you can make it last, right? So my riding mower, my zero turn, does not have an hour meter or a tachometer. I probably don't need the tachometer as much because it's not like I'm modifying that engine or anything, but I do want the hour meter because I need to be able to keep track of that for maintenance. Now, right now, what I've done is just put new oil in it every year. Well, I really want to know what the hours on it are. I mean, I maybe need to change that twice a year. I'm not sure. So we got this for that, and they work really easy. You just take this, it's got this lead wire here, and there's instructions in here that tell you how to put this on whatever engine you're putting it on. Of course, there's, you know, notice sticker, quick install manual, operating instructions. But really what it comes down to, oh, it looks like it even has an adhesive thing so you can stick this wherever you want instead of having to drill holes if you don't want to drill holes, or you can also use zip ties. This will wrap around like your spark plug or the spark plug wire. It, like I said, basically go over what you need to do for your engine in the manual. But it picks up the RPMs by the firing of the spark plug, and that comes into here, and it, you know, will read out your RPMs. Now this is meant for a single piston engine, so a small engine that's got one piston, one spark plug. These are activated as soon as they, you know, pick up any firing on this, so it will automatically turn on and start working. It does come with a battery in it, but as you see, there's this plastic here, so if you want to make it actually work, here's the battery. Let's see, what battery type is this? This is a CR2450. So it is a little bit thicker than your like 2023s. And it does say it's lithium, so it does come with the batteries. So as soon as you put it in there the right way, and then you come in here and twist this, it does have this little thing there because you want to close it well. It feels like it seals really well for being waterproof. It's not going to come on right away, but as soon as you start pressing buttons, it'll come on. The other thing it will do is it will come on as soon as it starts detecting spark or electricity on wherever you're wrapping this. And then, you know, it's got these different settings in it. You go through the manual, figure all that out, but very cool. This is basically everything you get. This does supposed to go to sleep after it stops detecting any motion or firing. So I really do like this whole setup and layout that they have here. It looks like a quality product. I think I'm gonna like this, and I think if this is what you're looking for, you're gonna like this too. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.